Hi, I'm Sandy from Home Show Garden Pros, and this is Isaac from Spring Gardens Nursery. And Isaac, we've had 100+ temperatures. So how can I nurture my lawn and my landscaping so they make it through the summer?
Well, because of the heat and the compaction, we have a result of this. You can see it's very dry.
Oh my goodness.
It's cracking.
It's not budging.
No. So one thing that I would recommend is aeration.
Okay.
Now what that's going to do, it's going to mechanically remove cores of the soil all over the grass, and that's going to allow better water and air filtration into the soil. So some of these rains that we get, instead of washing away, it's going to go down into the soil where we need the water.
That definitely needs some help with that. So after I get it aerated, first of all, how often do I aerate?
I would recommend 2 to 3 times a year.
Okay, so now's a good time.
I recommend spring, summer, and fall.
Okay. And after aeration, what do I do?
I recommend a soil amendment. An example that we have is Humate Plus.
I love Humates.
It's a concentrated compost in a granular form. So we can just open that bag.
And look at this. What is this made of?
It's just a concentrated compost.
All right, so we can fill it up and we can spread it around the yard.
Right.
Can I use it in my beds also?
You can use it in your bed, you can use it on the turf, you can use it on trees, you can use it all over.
It's an all-purpose.
It's an all-purpose.
Wonderful. Okay, so I've done aeration, Humates. What else would you recommend?
Sometimes in the summer, your grass, your plants are looking a little off color. If you want to green them up a little bit, I recommend a granular product with iron, and also a liquid product with iron.
Okay, and my favorite is Super Seaweed.
Yes.
From Microlife. It's magical for lawn and landscaping.
Yes, you can use it on everything. It's another all-purpose liquid. I always recommend a liquid and a granular.
Okay, all right.
The liquid's quicker, the granular will last longer.
Okay, all right, well, easy enough. Aerate, some Humates, some Microlife, Super Seaweed, and our lawn and landscaping will be happy.
Yes.
All right, beat the heat here at Home Show Garden Pros.